Welcome to the Islamic quiz room.
25 quiz question.
Islam General Knowledge Quiz. 10 points will be given for each correct answer. Comment below correct answer and get points. Let's go.
What is the name of the Islamic declaration of faith? Shahida. How many times a day are Muslims required to pray Salah? Five. Which angel is responsible for delivering revelations to the prophets? Jibreel. In which city was the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, born? Makkah. Which is the first month of the Islamic calendar? Muharram. What is the name of the night journey where the Prophet, PBUH, was taken to Jerusalem? Isra. Which surah of the Quran is known as the heart of the Quran? Yasin. Who was the first caliph after the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH? Abu Bakr as-Siddiq. What is the annual payment of 2.5% on wealth called in Islam? Zakat. Which prophet is mentioned the most times in the Quran? Prophet Musa. What is the holy book revealed to Prophet Musa, AS? Tawrat. Which pillar of Islam is a pilgrimage to Mecca? Hajj. How many chapters, surahs, are there in the Holy Quran? (114). What was the name of the Prophet Muhammad's, PBUH, or mother? Amina. Which companion was known as the Sword of Allah? Khalid bin Walid. Which surah is called the opening? Al-Fatiha. On which day do Muslims gather for congregational prayer? Friday. What is the Arabic term for the oneness of God? Tawhid. Which prophet is known for building the Kaaba? Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Ismail. What is the name of the gatekeeper of hell? Malik. Which battle is known as the Battle of the Trench? Kandak. What is the term for Islamic law? Sharia. Which prophet was swallowed by a large fish? Prophet Ayyub. What is the name of the prayer offered during the night in Ramadan? Taraweeh. Which caliph compiled the Quran into a single book? Uthman, Radiyallahu anhu.